Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Alif Ahmed. Today in this video we will learn preposition one, in, at, before and after. So let's start it. First of all, in, with parts of the day, months, season, year and centuries. এখানে শুরুতে in বসে, যেমন in the morning, in January, in winter, in 2020, in the 6th century. So we have to remember one thing, that দিন, মাস, সিজন, বছর এবং শতাব্দী এর পূর্বে ইন বসে বা ইন বসিয়ে আমরা সেন্টেন্স শুরু করব। দেন অ্যাট উইথ কলক টার্মস, মানে ঘড়ির কাঁটা বা সময়ের সাথে আমরা সেক্ষেত্রে অ্যাট বসাবো, যেমন at 5:30, at 5:30, then at midnight, then at dinner time. We also say at Esther, at the moment. Then we will learn at about. We use at about if the time is not exact. Example, I get up at about 7. Then he arrived at about 6:30. Here we have to remember one thing, that is not exact time, মানে সঠিক সময়টা এখানে বলা হয়নি, যে সম্ভবত। সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই এখানে at about ইউজ করব আমরা। দেন before and after. Before preceding another event or time. Example, I have a shower before I have breakfast. Then first I have a shower, then I have a breakfast. So after following another event or time, example, I go swimming after school. First I go to school, then I go swimming. So listen carefully again. After following another event or time, example, I go swimming after school. First I go to school, then I go swimming. So today, no more today. Allah Hafiz. Subscribe for more video.